Auto Wheel is a non-acid, non-alkaline alloy wheel cleaner and has proved itself by consistently winning yearly independent tests conducted by some of the UK's biggest automotive magazines. Wheels are difficult to clean once metallic fallout from braking surfaces become embedded into the wheel's finish. Auto Wheel's formulation reacts with the oxidizing surface of the metallic particles, rendering it water-soluble and freeing the particles from the wheel's surface, allowing the dirt to simply wash away. The reaction can be observed by a rapid color change from clear to deep red. After a simple rinse with a pressure washer or hose, it leaves the wheel spotless. Where the wheel is heavily contaminated, the included wheel brush can be used to assist the process. You will need Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel, a pressure washer or hose, and, for heavily soiled wheels, the supplied wheel brush. Auto Wheel should be applied to a dry, cool wheel, not in sunlight. Firstly, spray Auto Wheel liberally onto your wheels in a radial fashion. This avoids excess application to center caps and overspray to other areas. Avoid directly spraying the center caps of the wheels. Some center caps are not edge sealed, and low surface tension liquids can pull in and cloud them. Wait for the color changing reaction, normally 15 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the level of contamination. For particularly dirty wheels, agitate the wheel with a brush once the color changing reaction has occurred. The wheels can be rinsed with a pressure washer or hose. Do not allow the product to dry. After treatment, seal the wheels with double speed wax for an easy clean surface. You will be able to use Auto Wash to clean the wheels for the next few washes. Auto Wheel application should be undertaken when Auto Wash alone fails to get the surfaces clean.